Hello friends, my name is Salman and you are watching my channel Solid Tech. In this video series I will discuss about the Linux administration. So in particular video I will discuss the Linux command line administration. So command line is very important. If you have firm grip on command line, you will easily do the administration of Linux administration. So let's move to the lecture. So today I will discuss the few commands. The first command is ls. Basically ls commands, what it does, display the content of a current directory or folder. We can use a few option with ls command like -l show the long listening, and with blue color we have folders, and in gray color and white color, black color we have files, generally a file. So, and the second command is clear. What clear is just, it's clear out the screen. The shortcut of the clear command is Ctrl L. I will show you all the commands which I describe here on my Ubuntu machine, and after that we will use the command mkdir. Mkdir is used for creating a directory. So we can create a multiple directory at once. For example, if we want to create a 3 directory at once, we launch the command mkdir space dir1 dir2 space dir3. It will create the 3 directory naming dir1, 2 and 3. Or for example, if we want to create a directory, for example we want to create a directory department, and within the department we also create a directory like legal, and within the legal if I want to create a directory ABC. For this I will show you the method and the option which will add with mkdir for creating a nesting directory structure. So and finally I will show you the pwd, which is print working directory. So I will show these all the commands and option in my in this video. So let's move to the Ubuntu machine. Here I can launch the terminals. Here in left side you have a terminal. If you don't see the terminal, go click on the new application, and here you can type the terminal, and here you can also launch the terminal. So I enlarge the size of the terminal screen so you can easily see what I will do. The first command I always use is pwd. Basically what pwd does, it show me my current location on my file system hierarchy. As you know, the file system hierarchy start with // which is called root. This is the starting point of our file system, in which we have a folder home, and in home folder we have the subfolder for each user login to this computer. I am logging with the username Salman. So my current location is /home/Salman. So this is my current location. So after launching this current location, I will show down the content of my current directory. So the showing the content of a directory, we use the command ls. So as you can see, I have so many folders over here, which is mentioned here, department and documents, folder 1, folder 2, folder 3, folder 4. First of all I will delete few folders so you can easily grab. For example, I will delete the move to trash. It means it's delete the folder. I also delete these folders. So I will create the new one. I also delete. These are the folders which I create before the recording of this. So now my I have also so many folders over here, so I will delete all. So I again launch the command ls. So as you can see, ls show me a fewer content as before. So I will launch. I always launch ls -l, which give me the long listing of the folder. So as you can see, now I have document folder, desktop folder, download folder, music folder. So I go to the document folder, but before that I will create a few folders. The first command for creating a folder is called mkdir. There is mkdir, and now I will create a few folders: directory 1, directory 2 and directory 3, and press enter. Now I will check the content of this folder ls. So as you can see, now I have 3 folders over here, which is called directory 1, directory 2 and directory 3. So if I want to create a folder, and within this nesting folder, for example, I want to create a mkdir -p, I will create a folder called department, and within the department I will create also a folder which is called legal, and within the legal I will create a folder which is called MIS, and press enter. So I will check it out. For checking I will use ls -l. So as you can see, now I have a few folders which is now I have a create a folder department. As you can see, this is the department folder. So if I want to check the recursively what is the folder inside the folder inside the folder, and what are the nesting folder, so there is an important command which I always use. This command is called ls-R, and then I will this current command is operate on my current folder, so I will click enter. So as you can see, now I have a department folder in which I will create a legal folder, and in the legal folder I have a MIS folder. So this show me the child domain within the domain. So this is very important command. It will show you all the documents. So this is very important command. Now I will clear the screen. There are 2 methods for clearing a screen. First is called, if I press the control key and again press the L key, it will clean the screen, but it doesn't not clean the key, it will move my previous command to up. But if I want to clear out all the things from this tree, there is a command which is called reset. Basically what reset does, reset your shell. So I will enter the reset command, and now you can see I don't move I don't use any up and down history command. So now as you can see, now I will clear the screen. So I will first off I will show where I am Salman, ls -l. So in this way I will create a folder, and within the folder I will also create a folder. So in the next video I will show you how to create how to navigate within the folders with all the options, all the important options. Thank you very much for your time.